Hi, good afternoon. It's day 12 of the 30-day content challenge. And today's uh, thing that we're supposed to share or prompt that we're supposed to address is something that I've achieved this last week. And then I want to ask all of you to share too what you've achieved. Um, I think that the thing that I've achieved is that's been very beneficial to me as I've started making videos. I've now made, a bunch. It must be 7 or 8 of them now that I've been working on, and I get a little bit more relaxed with each one. Don't say that I'm any really that good because I tend to hem and haw and all that kind of stuff, but I get more comfortable and I get more astute at it, and I so that's the habit that I want to do to share with you. And the other thing is that a habit that I have is putting together a to-do list every day, and I do it in a book. And when I learned time management back a long time ago in my college classes, uh, one of the things that they point out was you write everything down that you're going to do for the day, and then you go through them one by one, and as you finish them, you check it off. So each day you move stuff that's incomplete to the next day, and then you write new tasks that you need to complete. And that way you tend to you're always referring to what you need to get done, and then focusing on that. And that's been a little technique that I've used my whole life, and I just wanted to share that with you. So it's Friday, and I want to wish you all a good weekend, a happy weekend, and have a good day. And I will talk to you guys probably tomorrow.